Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve LeVay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. Again, QE3 was started yesterday at the Fed meeting, and today we are up about 10 points right now. 52 points on the Dow, 34 on the NASDAQ. Very strong market, especially after yesterday's 200-point Dow and 50-point NASDAQ move. Right now, I'm sitting here watching a couple stocks that I'd like to show you about. But before I talk about stocks, let me just say I've got my Phillies t-shirt on today. We're 4 games out of the playoffs. Go Phils. Back to stocks. BIOF, one of my big winners over the last 2 days. Here is a chart of BIOF that had a nice move from 3 to 6, consolidated, and then yesterday went from 4 to 665. I noticed this morning during the pre-market that BIOF was going to take out the yesterday's high, so I bought a little bit, and lo and behold, we got a nice gap up all the way to 750 off the open. So right away, you had a great trade right here if you were able to buy it any time in the pre-market or even through the 5-minute high right here above 755. You could have used tight stops of about 20 cents at this point, and your first sell didn't come to almost 980. It went that quickly. A very good trade, and right now it's just consolidating above $9. Prediction for the day, it's probably going to close around 10. Just a prediction. The market's strong. The pattern's telling me something. We'll see what happens. The other stock that I looked at today was LinkedIn. Again, LinkedIn has been a beautiful setup for us over the last week. We had these 2 huge bars Thursday and Friday of last week, and then a little bit of consolidation for a beautiful looking bull flag right here. And today we took out 122.85, which was the previous all-time high, and we exploded from there. Let's take it to a little smaller time frame here. Here's your 5-minute in LinkedIn. I didn't even get a chance to buy through yesterday's high because right away it went. First real print above the high was 122.78. Then it tailed down a little bit here. And this bar, once it got through 122.78, see you later. Okay, so it took out 122.85. I was long a little from 122.75. I was able to sell some up here. So I made more than $1 on a lot of my trade. And then I took off the rest after it took off highs and then came back down. I took off the rest at about 124, right at this bar here. So with that, I had 2 really good trades today. Right now, it's just kind of bringing itself down. Probably going to bring it down to the 122.45 level, where we'll see what happens. Hopefully, it stays above yesterday's high of 121 for continuation next week. With that, everybody, have a great weekend. I will talk to everybody on the VTF later on. And everybody enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you later.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for